Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the scratch so you choose the right approach. Surface scratches need less aggressive work than deep gouges. Once marked, with the 400 grit to remove burrs, sand gently along the grain to avoid new cross scratches. Make sure to keep the area wet and check progress every 10 to 20 passes. If metal dust collects, rinse and blot with microfiber. This first step sets a clean, even base for finer polishing later, so don't rush it. Once the coarse ridges are gone, switch to 800 grit to smooth the area. This reduces visible haze and blends edges into the surrounding finish. Make 10 to 30 uniform strokes, always with the grain, and replace the paper if it clogs. Then move to 1200 grit for a near-polished surface. This prepares metal for compound polishing. Make sure to rinse thoroughly and dry before inspecting under bright light. If you see swirl marks, repeat the prior grit. You finish by applying a small amount of stainless steel polish or fine metal compound to a clean microfiber pad and buff the repair area. Start with light circular motions to break up remaining haze, then finish with strokes along the grain to match the original texture. Wipe off residue, inspect for contrast, and if needed, repeat a short polish. Finally, apply a thin coat of stainless protector or wax to slow reoxidation. Troubleshooting tip: if scratches persist, a filler or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.